In this video, I'm going to take you through a virtual tour of the Orie Condo Showflat so you know what to expect even before going there. If you are interested to know the pros and cons, location analysis, pricing analysis, and all of that, please see my other videos as I have discussed them there. So this video is just focusing on the virtual Showflat tour. Okay, let's start with the 2-bed plus study. Let's take a look at the floor plan first. The size is roughly 700 square feet because this is after the harmonization, where the new regulation is to exclude the aircon ledge from the advertised size. As you can see, it has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an open concept study room with a dumbbell layout. So this is what it looks like for the 2-bed plus study. So on the left side, you will immediately see the study room here. As you can see, the study room is open concept, meaning it doesn't come with a door. It's not that big. I think that's why they put a mirror here. And then just right across the study room, you have like a small kitchen. It's not big, but I think it has the essentials. You have the oven, and then you have the washer / dryer. You have a small sink, and then you can also see through to the living room. So this is, I think, decent. And then you can put a big fridge here. Now let's go to the living room. So the living room is connected to this balcony. So the balcony, I think, is a decent size. So I think you can hang out there, or you can dry your laundry there. So this is, I think, is a decent size. And then because this is a dumbbell layout, it has like 1 bedroom on the right side and then another bedroom on the other side. So let's go to the bedroom on the right side first. So I think this is probably can be qualified as the master bedroom because it has a connected bathroom here, and as you can see, it can fit a queen size bed with some small side tables. But as you can see, you can't really fit in another desk here, so you can't even put like a study table or something like that. There's just not enough space. I like the floor to ceiling window. I think that's good and looking modern. So this is the bathroom. I do like the bathroom actually. The design is very Scandinavian, very modern looking. I think this would appeal to the general masses. You have rain shower here, and then you have the usual shower as well. It looks very nice. So the other bedroom is just on the left side. I think the size is slightly smaller. You can use it for your kids' room or to rent out if you want to. Now what's interesting is that the second bathroom has 2 doors. So one door connecting directly to the bedroom, and then the other door, as you can see, connects to the main living area, so which is good. If you have any guests coming, they can go to the bathroom without going through one of the bedrooms directly. So I think this is considered for the developer to design it this way. Again, here you can put a small dining table if you want to. But then again, 2-bed plus study is a little bit tight. As you can see, they even put like mirrors on the ceiling. They really try to decorate this as nice as possible and to make it as looking as large as possible. So that's the 2-bed plus study. Now let's take a look at the 4-bedroom. This is the floor plan for a 4-bedroom condo at the Orie. Size is 1216 square feet, so that's pretty standard. It comes with 4 bedrooms and technically 3 bathrooms, but the 3rd bathroom is very small and usually for the helper. It also comes with a bomb shelter, which you can use as the helper's room, which means that the 3 common bedrooms will need to share 1 bathroom because the other bathroom is connected to the master bedroom. So this is the 4-bedroom Showflat. As you can see, when you first enter the unit, you won't see directly to the living space, so that gives a lot of privacy for the owners who stays there. And then the kitchen itself, it has a sliding door, so you can close off the door so that if you're cooking something heavy, it wouldn't smell so bad. And then there's a window here, so that's also very good, so that you can really do heavy cooking. If you go straight, you will be able to see the bomb shelter and also the 3rd bathroom. There's a small bathroom here for the helper. Now let's go to the living space. Okay, so right out of the kitchen. There's a dry kitchen here. You can use it as a dry kitchen, or just like a place for you to place some breakfast items or some drinks, etc. You can put your dining table here. As you can see, it's quite big. This is like an 8-seaters, but I think you can still fit more people here. And this is the living room. Living room with well, it's a decent size balcony. It's not too big, it's not too small, so that's good. And then because this is not a dumbbell layout, the bedrooms are all on one side. So if you see here, there's the first common bedroom. It fits a super single or a queen, but as you can see, it can only fit like one side table, and then that's it. On the other side, there's no other side table. I like the floor to ceiling window. I think that's good. There will be already a built-in sliding wardrobe, so that's good. The next bedroom is, I think, pretty similar in size. Can fit like one side table or like a mini study table if you have a child, and then also already comes with the sliding wardrobe, so that's good. There's a bathroom here. This is the common bathroom. I think it's a decent size as well. Again, another Scandinavian model, but then note that there's no rain shower here. It's just the normal shower. And then this is the third bedroom. I love the interior design of this one. I think this looks very cool. Yeah, it looks very big just because of the mirror, but imagine that if the mirror is not here, then the size wouldn't be that big. I think this one is somehow, I feel like this bedroom is slightly smaller than the two other common bedrooms. I might be wrong, but it also has a sliding wardrobe over here. Okay, next we have the master bedroom. So this one is the biggest bedroom of all, of course. So you can fit, I think you can still fit king size here, and then you can still have like two small side table here, but you also have some space to put like a medium size study table or dressing table. As usual, floor to ceiling window, so that's good. The bathroom is slightly different. This one has a different type of tile, but it's still, the theme is still marble, but I don't think it's like actual marble. There's a rain shower here, but then if you notice, there's no bathtub, because sometimes 4-bedroom has a bathtub, but not in this development. Okay, the last one is the 5-bedroom unit. It's the biggest one at 1453 square feet with 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a private lift. On top of that, it also has a second door that connects you directly to the kitchen. Price starts at $3.48 million. Okay, so this is the Showflat for 5-bedroom. As you can see, it has its own private lift, so that's cool. And then after that, from there, you can go straight to the living and dining space. So you see there's a dry kitchen here with sink. And then if you are looking for the dry kitchen, if you are looking for the wet kitchen is just over here. And of course, you can close the door so you can cook different food without worrying too much about the smell. And then also it comes with a window here, and then there's also a small bathroom for your helper. And this area can also be used for your washer and dryer. And then what's special about the 5-bedroom unit is that on the other side, there's actually another gate. So meaning that if you don't want to go inside from the private lift, you can also take the second door, which will lead you directly to the kitchen. Of course, it also has a bomb shelter, which you can convert for helper's room. Now the living space, the living room is definitely the biggest of them all. As you can see, it's very spacious, and then the balcony size is also just right. It's not too big, it's not too small, but it does give you a more grandeur feeling. And I think that the ceiling height is also higher versus other flats, which makes sense. if you're spending more than $3.5 million, right, you would want the opulence and luxury. And then the bedrooms are all stacked on one side. So this is the first common bedroom. So this one in the Showflat, they use it as a study room, but this is actually a full-size common bedroom. As you can see, there's a sliding wardrobe here, and also got the floor-to-ceiling window. Oh, I like the decor of this. It's really nice. And this is the second bedroom. I feel like the size of the common bedrooms for the 5-bedroom condo is bigger than the 4-bedroom condo units. If it makes sense, it feels bigger though. I don't know whether it's just the design or it's actually bigger, but it feels like that. So this one, they put I think a single bed, but then they put a platform bed, which is very smart, so you can put like more stuff underneath. And then also there's a built-in table. Yeah, I think this is very nice. So okay, so that's the second common bedroom. Here you have the third common bedroom. Can fit queen size as well with one side table. Again, it comes with the sliding wardrobe. And just across, you have the junior master bedroom. So this one is slightly bigger because you can put a queen bed, but can still put like small side tables on both sides. And then what is special is that there's a connecting door that leads you to a bathroom. So this is the junior master bedroom, which means that the 3 other common bedrooms will share this bathroom here. I think it's an okay size, modern design, but again, there's no rain shower here. And the master bedroom is right at the end. You can fit a king size bed here and can still fit in 2 side tables as well as a study table or maybe a dressing table. It also comes with a sliding wardrobe, but then the size is bigger than the wardrobe at the common bedrooms, of course. And then this is the bathroom. Again, there's no bathtub, which is fine. And there's a rain shower here. I think the design and the finishings are really similar with the 4-bedroom unit. So this is what the 5-bedroom unit looks like. So what do you think? Personally, I like that the rooms are squarish and have a practical layout. I also like the style that they chose because it has this modern Scandinavian luxe vibe which appeals to the mass. Is there any game changers in the layout? Well, no, it's pretty much similar with any other mass market condo nowadays. So I think the main selling point of the Orie is still about the location. For my full review of the pros and cons of this development, check out my review by clicking the link in the description box below or in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.